happy years ago, one man had a dream of a world of happiness that more people would come to see and talk about than any other on the face of the earth. And did this dream come true? It comes true every day. Could this world be real? The senses say it must be. But in every corner of this amazing place, the unbelievable exists. And we have to ask ourselves, is this real or is this fantasy? The answer is, it is both. Immense, 27,000 acres, 43 square miles, twice the size of New York's Manhattan Island. It is a wonder of the world on par with the 7 others. A world more people visit each year than any other single place in the known universe. Yet, were it not for dreams, it would not exist at all. Dream of a magic kingdom, and it is here. Dream of almost anything, and the chances are it can be done in one of 6 enchanted lands. It is a marvelous magic kingdom of kings, where the dreams of childhood can be lived for fun and cherished forever. Elsewhere in this most unusual world, there are different dreams of fun. Here, almost anything a dreamer has ever dreamed of doing can at long last be done. Life can be lived in the frontier past. Life can be lived at a slower pace in an enchanting waterside village. It can even be lived in another place, say a tropical island. This is a world where the wilderness has given way to adventures which celebrate the great outdoors. A world where reality steps aside and let dreams come true. And they do. But beyond this world's magic kingdom, beyond its lands of outdoor fun, there lies another, perhaps the greatest testament to the power of dreams. EPCOT Center. The culmination of over 15 years of planning. A world of imagination over twice the size of the Magic Kingdom. Here, dreams of all the world come together and come to life. The dreams of tomorrow are here for all to see in EPCOT Center's future world. To discover them, the past must be explored. Tomorrow must be touched. And that part of us which dreams must be taken to places it has never been before. Beyond Future World in EPCOT Center, the dreams of the world's nations ask to be shared. It is yet another side to this incredible place, a showcase of countries, customs, and cultures, a world showcase. It is a dream, but most certainly a real one, to visit so many nations in a single time, a single place. It is the dream of a lifetime, and it comes true in authentic restaurants, shops, and shows. Such are the dreams of World Showcase, of Future World, of EPCOT Center. All come true in this one wondrous world. We all dream, and that's why such a world exists. A world created by the dreams within one man, but which lives on because of the dreams within each of us who enters it. For dreams make it real, and it makes dreams come true.
At the end of each and every day, the dream